JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
Okay, so hey, what is up, y'all? Your girl has been DoorDashing. The first order was for McDonald's. I did that one, dropped that one off. The next one, we are currently at Aldi's, and I got my little thing to go in the cart so y'all can come in with me, shop with me while I record. So yeah, come with your girls to shop at Aldi's. Told y'all we are currently at the Aldi's store. We finna get out. I'm trying to find a quarter for the buggy, so yeah. I did it, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay. Anyway, this is all the stuff that we have to get, so let's get started. I mainly need chips and like a couple things. So yeah, you're not gonna get that. Yeah, so I found 2 items so far already. I'm trying to see if the other ones are over here before I go around, which I think I see one more, so let me get that one. Alright, y'all, for now I gotta find a can of like mixed nuts and then chips, the whip top and stuff, which I think is in the cooler. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the chips as well while I am over here. I got these. They only had one of those. They got 2 of the vanilla, 2 of the buttercream cookies. Now I have to find the rigid potato chip, which is right here. And I gotta get the white ones too. I don't see the nuts. There might be on another aisle, and I'm supposed to look for the hot fries, which I don't see the hot fries either. Go with. You're fine. Alright, y'all, I got the meat. This video is for the lady from TikTok that said if you go into Aldi's to use the back side of your key if you don't have a quarter. Girl, thank you, because I'm out DoorDashing and I did not have a quarter and I had to come to Aldi's. And I end up remembering your video and I used the back of my key. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Has been shopping ever since. Also getting some content in, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, and follow me on all social media. But yeah, I'm getting groceries.
That's all right. Yes, sir. You got it.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are your clean nuts?
They'll be up front near the salad dressing and stuff like that.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
this was just me in the checkout line, putting all the groceries on the bill and making sure I had got everything. We're all done and packed up. I'm finna go push the buggy back and then we're finna get ready to go. Y'all, so how about I use the key trick, right? If you don't got a quarter, you can put it back in your key and the thing. The man said, I forgot I did it, y'all, so I had to go back in there and ask for the key. And I had to end up finding the buggy on my own because he had somebody, he already got a buggy somebody. But anyway, y'all, he was like, you know you just come in and ask for a quarter, right? I said, no, I didn't know. He told me, yeah, as long as you filling that buggy up, we'll give you a quarter. I said, my bad, I did not know that. And then the other customer, he got his stuff in his buggy, and he was like, make sure ain't no key in that night. I said, you know what? Have a good day. He said, you too. That joke was too funny though, y'all. But yeah, come on with me to my customer so we can deliver that grocery.
Sunshine in my pocket, stepping through the street. Wake up smiling brightly, feel that summer heat. Dancing through the city, music in my veins, heartbeat sick to rhythm.
Yeah, I just dropped that man phone grocery out. Y'all, he was in there jamming. Older school gentleman too. And he has a nice home. He really does. Alright, we got our next order. And it's a real high-paying order, almost $20. So yeah, you know we finna go get that money. Sorry, this cord is in my face. I got my other phone up here charging. I'm actually using it for DoorDash, and I got my other phone, y'all, over there. Y'all, it's so hot. It's like 100 degrees. Goodness. I'm not gonna make it. And then I gotta take this wig off today and put another wig on because you want to complain about my hair color at work. Like, what my hair color got to do with you? No job. But hey, it is what it is. So your girl is now heading to, I'm heading to food line. Yeah, I'm heading to food line. So, which means I'm probably gonna be in here for a minute. I probably have to do a bunch of stuff. So yeah, come with your girl to go next. I love shopping at Food Line because in the app it already breaks it down by aisle for you. And I try to start at the last aisle. But this time I started the first aisle because the last aisle is mainly cold stuff. So we're gonna start on aisle 1 and go to 3. So yeah, come on, let's get to it. to my customers. So come with me. Alright, y'all, so I done made it here. I'm finna hop out and grab the stuff and go delivery. I'm hoping they downstairs because I don't feel like going up these people's steps. But we gonna see. I'll let y'all know. Y'all end up having to go up some stairs, but it was only it was only one flight of stairs.
Hello.
What's up? Whew. That lady ordered just about killed me with them downstairs. I'm in Lee County. She stay in building 3 and she only stay on the 2nd floor. The 2nd floor now, but you gotta go up 2 flights of stairs. For what?
This is the 2nd floor?
Shit, no, you supposed to have one to go from 1 to 2. That's it. Goddamn 2 sit up here going in a fucking merry-go-round circle with y'all ass.